So students, we are going to learn about the linear equations in one variable. We have a question that a number is multiplied by 1 upon 2, we will get the answer 5. So, let the number be x. So it will multiply by 1 by 2. We will get the term 1 by 2x and the result will be 1 upon 5. So now we have an equation. These two will multiply. That is x is equals to 5 multiplied by 2. Now please solve the equation and give me my answer. Good. Very good. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, show me a copy. Show me a copy. Oh, what the hell is this? X is equals to 5 into 2, that is 52. Hey, stop. Show me a diagram. Get this note signed by your father. I'll get back to you tomorrow.
Wow. Now I'm safe. Sparky.
So, good morning students.
Good morning, sir.
Show me your homework. Show me a copy. Aryan, I gave you notes several times. Why are your parents not replying?
Sir, they are busy.
Busy? I think you are not showing to them. I must call your father. Tell me your phone number.
9425
Fast.
943
Quickly.
9479.
Hey, stop. Show me your ID card.
Hello? Yes, may I ask who is speaking?
Hello. This is Aryan's mathematics teacher.
Oh yes, good afternoon sir.
After so many complaining notes, Aryan is still not showing any improvement.
Sorry, but what notes? I don't know anything about them.
Oh, that's the reason. Your child is not showing notes to you. He is very poor in mathematics. Do you know? In last test, he wrote 5 into 2, that is 52. Sir, please put some sense on him.
What? Okay, sure sir. Thank you for calling. Aryan! Come here. I had a call this afternoon from your teacher. He told me about the notes he gave to you. How dare you not showing the notes to me? So now, you have started keeping things away from us.
I'm sorry, Dad.
Now, no more sorry. You need punishment. You are not playing video games anymore. And every day, I will see your maths copy. Do you get that?
Aryan, what happened to you? You are behaving so strange from past some days. Please tell me.
My father and my teacher daily scolds me. In our school everybody calls me fool except you.
What's my fault in this? I know I am fool, but what can I do for that? I am unable to understand the numbers. Their shapes are so weird. I am unable to recognize them. But nobody understands my problem. Nobody understands. Nobody loves me.
Aryan, come to me and show me your notebook. You stupid. Where is your attention? Idiot boy.
I'm sorry, Dad.
We are working so hard. We are spending our time and money on you. But you mad fellow don't want to study. Okay, do this calculation.
Yes, Dad. I've done it, Father.
Okay, show me. What the hell you have done? You are just not able to do a simple calculation. Stupid.
Hello, Auntie. Hey, Prachi, come here, come. Okay, tell me, how's going? Auntie, everything is going good, but actually I'm in a big problem. There is my friend Aryan who needs help.
Okay.
Actually, he's a bit slow in studies as compared to other boys of his age. That's why he always feels depressed. Auntie, I want to help him. Please tell me how can I do so. He especially feels difficulty in calculation.
Okay, is he having some problem with numbers?
Yes, he thinks that numbers are flying all over the notebook.
Okay, I'll meet him. Good morning, Mr. Malhotra. I'm Dr. Palekar. I know you and your family very well. Can I talk to you for some time?
Yeah, Dr. Palwal, come. So, doctor, what would you like to have?
No, thanks. Actually, I'd come for Aryan.
Aryan, has he done something wrong?
No, he hasn't done anything wrong. Why do you think that he always does something wrong?
You don't know him, doctor. He looks innocent, but he is very mischievous.
No, Mr. Malhotra, he has not done anything wrong, but you are doing wrong with him.
Me? How can you say like this, doctor?
Why not, Mr. Malhotra? Have you ever tried why Aryan is not able to face mathematical problems?
Yes, I have tried a lot, but that fellow is not improving at all. He always gets poor marks. He never tries to learn. He always wants to play. He is very mischievous and disobedient boy.
But have you ever tried why is he doing so? I think just because you only want good result, not only you, every parent wants his child to get good result. This is our problem. In my opinion, your child is suffering from dyscalculia. It is a kind of neurological disorder which can be sometimes genetic.
What rubbish, doctor? I never heard this type of disease. It means my child is mentally retarded?
No way! Your son is not mentally retarded. He is perfectly okay. Okay, just tell me what is the differentiation of sin x?
How can I tell you, doctor? This is not of my level. I have learned all these things in 11th class. Now I have forgotten many things.
No, you should try.
What nonsense? How can I do it now?
Look, Mr. Malhotra, now you are misbehaving.
But, how?
You are being naughty, Mr. Malhotra. This is exactly what is happening with Aryan. He is not able to solve the mathematical operations because he is not able to understand the numbers. This is called dyscalculia. That's why he is having problems with numbers. That's why when you give him 2 into 5, he always results them 225 because he is not able to understand simple signs. Just imagine of that child. He is not able to do the simple problems which his classmates can do them effortlessly.
Oh, sorry, doctor. Now I have understood. I was wrong. Now I will take care of my son.
No, Mr. Malhotra. Not only you, we are also with him. I'll personally guide him like a friend.
Thank you, doctor. Thanks a lot.
Hey son, come here, come with me. Okay, now watch this.